الناس حوالينا اقسم بالله كل غزة مات.
بنموت عشان لقمة العيش. والله بنموت عشان لقمة العيش. الجوع كافر، الجوع كافر.
المغزى من كل المساعدات هذه الصيد كالفئران، يحط له المساعدة يدخله يقولوا له يلا ادخل، ولا في ترتيب ولا في نظام ولا في أي عوامل إنسانية.
People can't get there. If they do, they're going into what is almost by definition a hyper-hostile setting. And then the internal layout is for controlling cattle. You know, that's what it looks. That's.
جماعة أخذنا الأرض وطخ علينا فوق رؤوسنا. والله وهي الناس حوالينا أقسم بالله كل غزة مات.
بنموت عشان لقمة العيش. والله بنموت.
طلق إعدام، أنا بحكيها بصورة مباشرة، إعدام
قسما بالله.
طلق في نصف صدره في الجهة اليمنى، ووجود عدة طلقات في ظهره.
Early May, I told the humanitarian organizations that there's something weird going on in the Tel Sultan area. There are these strange clearings, and they're working hard on it. Just the last couple of days, I start to see things that are confirming, like, yeah, that's what I imagined would happen from just the layout. I mean, the tragedy or the irony of it is you already had this humanitarian infrastructure for decades that is embedded, and it's got hundreds of distribution points, and they work with the local. And then you come in with this rapidly formulated substitute, and this totally, you know, everything about this GHF thing is just like, everything you touch is like weird and shaky. From the beginning, when they first came out, it was like, what? Israeli kind of military security, but not quite, an American kind of security, military government, but not quite, and humanitarian, but not quite.
قسما بالله. حسبي الله ونعم الوكيل. عليه نبدأ. عليه نموت. عليه نحيا. عليه نموت.
جاب بعض البسكوتات، بعض الأندومي، أشياء بسيطة جدا يعني لا تعد، ولكن هو كان معني في أطفالي.
The majority of the population simply can't access it. Currently, all of Gaza City can't. There's 1 million people, Gaza City. They can't get it. They have to cross the Netzarim corridor. It's super militarized. I mean, they've kind of mowed everything down. 1 kilometer to the north of it, 1 kilometer. You're walking through a wasteland of rubble. The same with the Murag. The roads are also, you know, not functioning, and nobody has any, you know, cars, no fuel. So it's all on foot. So how far can people walk in the sun? There and back. And then what are they going into? They're going into this place that is, by definition, they're not allowed to be there, right? They're in this buffer zone where you get killed. That pediatrician, right? That pediatrician with who's 9 kids. She was bombed because, you know, afterwards they asked them, the IDF, and they said, well, she was in the buffer zone. You're not allowed to be there. And all of them are next to these bases. And this is where the GHF background shows. It's like the ultimate in cynicism to use humanitarian labels and measures as a tactic, as a strategy of war.
Ya Allah. Ya Allah. انبطح. Ya Allah.